Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to get the shattered gold on the XR3 Ion in Black Ops 7, you are wondering how to do so, you may follow the steps for that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to unlock all of the military and special camos for the rifle. So you can select up your XR3 Ion and go to the gunsmith, press off for that. And from there, just go over to the camo section. You can go to the customize at the top and select the camo option right there. And once you select the camo option, you will be taken to the section right here. You can select multiplayer, and in order to get the shattered gold, you need to first complete the challenge for the military and the special one. So you need to first unlock all of the military and special camos for the rifle, like 15 long shots, 50 attachment kills, double kills, etc. So for that, you can just go over, and to complete up the military, you need to go over and reach to the end, which is for Ruby Snake. So you can just go over and do so. And for Ruby Snakes, you need 80 one-shot kills, final military camo. Because XR3 Ion is a burst fire sniper type rifle, so you need to aim for headshots or critical area hits so that you can get kills in a single burst, which counts as one shot. And you can use maps or game modes with good long range lines of sight to maximize one shot potential. And within special, there are Diamondback. So first off, for the Diamondback, you need to get 15 long shot medals. That is kills at a long range with the XR3 Ion. You can complete it up. Similarly, for the Raptor, you need to go over and get 50 eliminations without any attachments equipped. That is based on modified XR3 Ion. You can just go over and not use those and get 50 eliminations without any attachments. And similarly, after you go to Raptor, you need to go over and complete the mainframe as well. And for that, you need to get 2 kills without reloading 10 separate times. That is 10 different lives or sequences using XR3 Ion. You can do so, and that should probably do it. You can just go over and open maps so with longer sights, strict XR3 Ion as a true sniper, and that should probably do it. Once those 3 challenges are done, your XR3 Iron has completed all the special camos, and at the final step, you should be getting the shattered gold. So you will be getting that shattered gold once you complete the military and special, once it is unlocked. And in order to get the shattered gold, you can just go and get 3 kills without dying in a single life and do that 10 separate times. And once you complete one of those 3 kill lives, XR3 and instantly unlocks the shattered gold. And you can use game modes with fast respawns, lots of actions, play defensively, take angles, hold choke points, etc. You can load outs that enhance range, track your streaks, etc. And once all of the 10 streaks are done, your shattered gold for XR3 Iron will be yours. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.